How to turn off direct message in-app notification on TikTok. Today guys, I will show you how to do this. Just watch this video until the end and make sure that you like and subscribe in the channel. So let's start. First, you will just go to your TikTok, then open it, and as everyone know, when you open TikTok it will open at home directly. Now you will just go to profile, open profile, then go to this three line here and then go to settings and privacy. After this, go to notification and go to in-app notification, and then go to direct message. And now you have to turn off this option by clicking here and make it look like this. And that's it. I hope this video is useful for you. Do not forget to like and subscribe in our channel, and see you next video.